So this is my another version of shepherd's pie. That is zucchini and ground beef. And then mashed potatoes. I'm just gonna stack on this baking dish. So yan, lagay lang natin dyan. Spread natin mabuti. Yan. And I did sprinkle feta cheese and parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna put the leftover or remaining potato or mashed potatoes. Yan. And now it's done. We put all the things, and then we're gonna top with shredded cheese. Okay, that's it. Ito na, luto na ang ating zucchini shepherd's pie. Ayan.